class 10. Today, as we stand under the vast sky of free India, we remember the countless heroes who turned dreams of independence into reality. Let us begin this sacred celebration by seeking divine blessings for our nation's peace and pride. I invoke the Almighty's grace. I call upon Ayush and Garvit to lead us with
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. For our school. We pray. Give good. Discipline. Learning. Friendship. Bless our teachers and friends. Help us to learn new things. Help us to.
India movement is also known as August movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan.
The Quit India movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi ji.
It was started in speech in Bombay where Mahatma Gandhi asked people to do or die.
It was 8th August 1942 during the World War II Gandhi ji launched the Quit India movement.
On next day, on 9th August 1942, Gandhiji, Nehruji and many other leaders were arrested by British government.
The protest was initiated to demand an end to the British rule in India.
The Quit India movement united Indian people against British.
प्यारा रंग सुरों में बसा उसका
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हर मौसम रंगीला ऐसा देश है मेरा ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा देखे तो में जो करे हवाएं रंग बिरंगी कितनी चुनरिया उड़ जाए वनगढ़ पर वनहारन जब गगरी भरने आए मधुर मधुर गानों में कोई बंसी कोई बजा तो सुन लो कदम कदम पर है मिल जानी कदम कदम पर है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी ऐसा देश है मेरा ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा.
Please welcome Zoya from class 7 who will now share her thoughts with us. Let's give her a big round.
Proud to stand before you on the occasion of our 78th Independence Day on 15 August 1947. After many years of struggle and sacrifice, India became a free nation. Independence Day is not just a holiday but an opportunity to thank our freedom fighters and recall their values. Together, let us keep achieving their dream of a unified and strong India. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूल से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बात है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ दीवाने की जब और सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शान
Teachers and all my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 70th Independence Day. On this day, in 1947, India became free from British rule after years of struggle and sacrifice. As young citizens, it is our duty to work hard, respect each other, and let us promise to contribute our nation's growth and keep the flying high. That's right. Jai Hind.
माथे पे माटी सजा के चले आए चलते हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम एक हैं, ना बटे हैं, ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं।
I represent Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was a great leader. She is also known as Iron Lady of India. She was born on 19 November 1917 in Uttar Pradesh. Her father's name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and her mother's name was Kamala Nehru. She was died 31st October 1984. She is an inspiration all of us. Representing myself as Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. I shall not give up my Jhansi. This is for the words I lived and died by. I am Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi, a woman but not weak, a mother but also a warrior. I rode into battle with my child tied to my bed, and I fight and sword in my hand. I did not fight for just Jhansi. I fight for every Indian to live with dignity and freedom. Today, India celebrates 78th year of independence. But I ask you to all, are our girls are free? Are every girl go to school without fear? Can every mother sleep peacefully knowing her daughter is safe? Can every girl is safe in every corner in this country? No, the fight is not over. That is why I stand before you today again. I said to every girl, there is a Rani Lakshmibai inside you. You are strong, brave and unstoppable. And I said to every Indian, true freedom is not raising the flag. It's about raising our daughter with safety, strength and मान है, सम्मान है. नारी ही हमारी संस्कृति की शान है. नारी ही आजादी का प्रतीक है. नारी ही आजादी का प्रतीक है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. धन्यवाद.
मैं मर भी जाऊं तो वतन में याद रहेगा, सदियों से है आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊं तो वतन में याद रहेगा, सदियों से है आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं,
मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं,
मेरी खून का हर कतरा जिंदाबाद रहेगा।
मेरे खून का हर कतरा जिंदाबाद करेगा।
मैं मर भी जाऊं तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, जाऊं तो वतन ये याद रहेगा।
जलियांवाला बाग के अमर बलिदानियों के अदम्य साहस को कोटि कोटि नमन। माँ भारती की स्वाधीनता के लिए इस सर्वोच्च बलिदान के हम देशवासी सदैव ऋणी हैं। I would like to call the participants of class 7 to 10 to present a drama of
April 13, 1919, Amritsar, Punjab, people gather at Jallianwala Bagh, a peaceful protest against British law. Men, women and children unaware of the tragedy about to unfold.
Stand together!
the British cannot understand.
Yes, today we demand our rights.
Suddenly General Dyer arrived with their soldiers and they broke the English and opened fire.
You disobey orders. Indians, you cannot beat us. Understand? Close the door and start firing.
There is no danger.
I will burn now.
Tell our son.
Jallianwala Bagh became a British guilty and sacrifice never forget.
कुर्बानी से हमें आज़ादी का महत्व समझाया। यश शहीद भगत सिंह। Give a round of applause as Arshan brings this revolutionary step.
को गले लगाया था, मौत को अपने परवाह नहीं थी, शक्ति रंग का पहना छोटा था, छोड़ मोहम्मद इस जंग अपने को गिराया, इसके हंसते देश की फांसी का गले लगाया। जय भगत सिंह। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब।
Sindoor was such an act of defiance, where the humble Sindoor powder became a symbol of resistance and empowerment. So let's welcome our class 7th girls for this powerful performance on Operation Sindoor.
तिरंगा नहीं झुकने देंगे, अब जुल्म नहीं हमको सहना, मेरे देश का यारो क्या कहना।
I request you all to stand up on your place for the national anthem.